Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. Me and my brother are ready for representing you the new fantastic tutorial. Andrew will do infill of gel nails. This time I'll try to pay maximum attention on technique and tools that I use. You should always remember, guys, that two main things in your work is to work quickly and do every stage in your work properly. What about drill bits? Of course, for removing the gel you can use ceramic drill bit, but you will work twice longer. The first problem of ceramic drill bits is they hit too much the nail plate, and the second, they fast floated. I mean, it's something like toothing of drill bits are erased very fast. I mean, the surface of toothing become more extensive, and you just can throw out this ceramic drill bit after 2 or 3 clients. But the prices on that drill bits are very high, especially in Chinese stores. And you know, I will not gonna use them anymore. And if it ever happens that I have no barrel drill bit, this way I will never do nails. You know, for me, working without barrel drill bit, it means something like cleaning my teeth without toothbrush. Of course, you can use your fingers for cleaning your teeth, but it will never be such effective. Scientists have already invented the special hard toothing alloy drill bits for making your life much easier. Somebody asked me about hard toothing of this drill bit. She said this drill bit is removing a large amount of product, but she is working with gel polish and she doesn't need too hard toothing drill bit. My answer for you, my dear, is to visit my online store and to find there special drill bit for removing gel polish. This is cone rounded drill bit. As you can see video by video, my brother Andrew is working only with the barrel drill bit and the cone drill bit. The first one is removing the gel with additional products, but cone rounded drill bit is made specially for thin layers of products, for example gel polish or gel inlay of natural nail plate. So you should have in your professional kit 2 types of drill bits for removing the gel. The first one is the barrel drill bit and the second one is cone rounded drill bit. And the second question about nippers that we use in this video and the high quality nippers. As you can see, me and my brother will work with different types of nippers for cuticles. I can't persuade my brother to try my favorite nippers that I use in my works. He used to work with his old one. Of course, he is applying sterilization client by client, and he's cleaning them, removing the rust, shaping, etc. You know, sometimes we are getting used to some things and sometimes we can work without them. But I think not in this case. Because when I come to his nail studio and try to work with his nippers, my client's hands are always bleeding. They are something like blind knife. And when the beginner or the student tries to work with them, of course, they have a fault. There are a lot of new models of high quality scissors or nippers from Russian or Ukrainian brands. For example, in my store you can find some nippers and scissors tried by me. And I can promise you that they are very good, not only for the professional, but for the beginner. And that's why my tutorial shows you that we are doing all these records not for selling products. We are showing everything as it is. And I'm showing you guys not only good sides of our work, I also tell about the shortcomings in our works. One of these problems is my brother's nippers. I presented him several models of nippers from my store, but he is still working as a robot and he has no time even to try them. Maybe someday I persuade him to try my favorite nippers. Please tell me guys down in the comments, did you try nippers from my store? What do you think about them? You have written a lot of good comments about sculpting mix gel already. You know, yesterday we talked about nail products with my wife, and we have reviewed some new nail products. For example, poly gel, and also classic products like acrylic or gel, and we compared them to each other. The question was what type of product is much quicker and work, and what type of product would be more comfortable to work. Of course, particular nail technician has particular preferences. But in the special case, if you are the beginner or if you have tired of working, for example, with acrylic, if you don't like this smell, or if you think that working with polygel is annoying, in this case, guys, I can suggest you to try out sculpting mix gel. The consistency of this product is ideal. This is the first reason, that's why me and my brother are still using it. It's very easy when you put the product on the nail plate and you don't have to make a lot of manipulations because it's self-aligned. You don't have to keep the tube in your one finger and removing the drop from this of this gel using the pusher or something else, spending a lot of time on it. For me, for example, working with polygel is annoying. I can't be concentrated on my work because I should always keep the tube in my hand, press on it, push the gel. You know, it takes a lot of time. I'm going crazy of it. Maybe for making the video review, only once in my life I can do it. But guys, I'm not a poser. I'm gonna show you real, effective and actual techniques. That's why I propagate sculpting mix gel. The second reason why I work with this gel is it doesn't burn the nail plate at all. You know, every type of clear gel will always burn the nail plate, and no matter what type do you use. I have never faced with clear gel which doesn't burn the nail plate. But when we have the pigment in the composition of this product, and when we start using it, we see that it doesn't burn the nail plate of clients and they don't screaming while curing their nails in LED lamps. And I'm also responsible enough for what I apply on my clients' nails and for products that I sell. And we sure guys that our sculpting mix gel have never spoiled anyone nail plate of any client of our customers. And we have applied 300,000 nails already, and no one nail plate was damaged because we never used clear gels. I'm not gonna say that clear gels are bad for nail plates. For example, now I have in my store clear gel for sculpting nails. Just remember guys that clear gel in hands of layman, I mean the person who doesn't know nothing, this product becoming something like the weapon, and you can easily make the client hurt and spoil the nail plate. Just please use clear gels only for constructing, only for building the strength, the free edge of nails, and never apply it with thick layer. And of course now I'm telling you about builder clear gel. What about base gel and the top coat? We're always applying them not with the thick layer. Yes, we're applying a layering of the nail plate with them, but the layer is not more 1 millimeter. In this way, practically no heating up. But when we are talking about sculpting mix gel, I think this is the best composition of clear gel and the pigment. As you can see guys, we have applied 2 Christmas nail art designs which will be adorable by every woman. All tools and products you can find in our store shapeofnail.com. See you tomorrow. Bye!